Now students, our question number 2 is, if 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equals to 47 upon 7, then we have to find the values of the following 4 sub-questions, that is a upon b, and sub-question 2, sub-question 3 and sub-question 4 children. Now with the help of this given question, we have to find the value of a upon b. And once we come to know the value of a upon b children, then we can easily find out the ratios, the values of sub-question 2, sub-question 3 and sub-question 4. Now students, our main question 2, sub-question 1 is we have to find the ratio of a upon b. The solution we will start as from the given. It is given that 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equals to 47 upon 7. So children, in order to find the value of a upon b, we have to use only this property, that is comparative and dividendo. So when we use this property, we can get the value of a upon b. So when we use, children, this entire numerator, in the numerator you have 15a square plus 4b square. So this entire numerator you will assume as a, and this entire denominator, that is 15a square minus 4b square, this entire term which is there in the denominator, you will assume as b. So when you use the property, you will get 15a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus 4b square upon, that is a plus b, upon 15a square plus 4b square minus 15a square minus 4b square, that is a minus b. So for the convenience, we have to write the terms in the bracket. So when we open the bracket, what we get is 15a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus, that is plus of minus is minus, so 4b square upon, here we have 15a square plus 4b square. So here we have minus, so we will write here minus 15a square, minus of minus is plus 4b square is equals to, here 47 plus 7 is 54 and 47 minus 7 is 40 children. So just see, these are the like terms, the opposite signs. So here also denominator, this plus 15a square minus 15a square get cancels. Therefore what we get is 15 plus 15a square plus 15a square is 30a square upon 4 plus 4b square plus 4b square is 8b square is equals to 54 upon 40. Now children, we want only the value of a upon b. So we don't want this 30 and 8 to be here. So therefore what we will do, we will shift this 30 upon 8 to the other side of equation. So we get a square upon b square is equals to 54 upon 40. So when it goes to other side, it will become reciprocate. So that is, we get 8 upon 30. So 8 ones are 8, 8 5s is 40, and here 6 5s is 30 and 6 9s is 54. Therefore you get a square upon b square as 9 upon 25. Now children, taking square root. Okay, taking square root, what we get is, we get, therefore when you take the square root, we get 8 a upon b is equals to, it is 3 upon 5. That means the value of a upon b is 3 upon 5. Okay. Now students, we have to find the value of 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. Now we will start the solution as a upon b is equals to 3 upon 5. This value we got from the first sub question. Okay. Now children, you just see here in the question, the coefficient of a is 7 and coefficient of b is 3. That means we have to multiply this a upon b by 7 upon 3. So we will write here multiplying by 7 upon 3 on both sides. So therefore what we get is 7 upon 3 multiplied by a upon b is equals to 7 upon 3 multiplied by a upon b. So when we multiply, we get 7 into a is 7a, 3 multiplied by b is 3b is equals to, now this 3 and 3 gets cancels children. So what we get is, we get 7 upon 5. Now children, what we have to do is, we will be following which property now? By componendo and dividendo. Therefore by, since here we have minus and here we have plus, now just wait and watch what componendo and dividendo. Therefore what we get is, we get 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equals to 7 plus 5 upon 7 minus 5. Therefore what we get is 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equals to 12 upon 2 children. 12 upon 2. Now children, what we can do, we can reduce this. This is 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12. So we get here 6 upon 1. Now children, here the question, we have to find the value of 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. Therefore, now let me write this, 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equals to 6 upon 1. Now we want here, we got 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equals to 6 upon 1. But what we want 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. So now what we have to do, we have to invertendo. We have to use the property of invertendo. Therefore, by invertendo, we get 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b is equals to 1 upon 6. This is our final answer. Okay children. Now students, our third sub question is b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. We want to find the ratio, value of this ratio. So solution will start as a upon b is equals to 3 upon 5, which we got from the first sub question. Now say children, here we have b square and a square. So that means we have to square both sides. This first this equation. So when we square both sides, we get a square upon b square is equals to, as this 3 will become 9 and this 5, when we square it becomes 25. Okay, now next is children, here we have what, b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. But here in the order is what, a square upon b square. So we have to invert this. So which property we will use? We will be using here by invertendo. Therefore, by invertendo, what we get is, we get b square upon a square is equals to 25 upon 9. Now children, here you can see the coefficient of b is what, 1 and coefficient of a is 2. That means children, we have to multiply now, multiply this above equation, multiply the above equation by what, 1 upon 2 on both sides. So when we multiply with 1 upon 2, what we will get? We will get 1 upon 2 multiplied by b square upon a square is equals to 25 upon 9 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So therefore what we get is, we get b square upon 2a square is equals to 25 1 is 25, 9 2 is 18 children. Now children, what we have to do, here we have minus, here we have plus. So what we can do is, first we will be doing componendo and dividendo. Okay, so therefore by componendo and dividendo property, we get b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square is equals to 25 plus 18 upon 25 minus 18. So therefore children, what we get is, we get b square minus, plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square here it should be minus, okay, annoyingly I got, is equals to 25 plus 18 is how much? It is 43 upon 25 minus 18 is 7. Now children, here as per the question, we want b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. But by this property of componendo and dividendo, we got b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square. Therefore, now we have to follow which property? By invertendo. By invertendo, what we get is, we get therefore b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square, which is equals to 7 upon 43 is our final answer. Clear children? Now students, question number 2, fourth sub question is, we have to find the value of this ratio, that is b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. So children, as usual, the solution will start as a upon b, which we got from the first sub question as 3 upon 5. The next step, what we have to do children, since here we have b cube and a cube, so we will be cubing both sides. So when we cube both sides, we get a cube upon b cube is equals to cube of 3 is 27 and cube of 5 is 125. After that, the next step would be children, here we have b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. That means we have to use the property of invertendo. So by invertendo, children, what will become? We will be having b cube upon a cube is equals to 125 upon 27. Okay. Now after that, children, here just see the coefficient of b is 1 and coefficient of coefficient of b cube is 1 and coefficient of a cube is 2. So that means we have to multiply by half on both sides. So when we multiply, we get what? Therefore 1 upon 2 multiplied by b cube upon a cube is equals to 125 upon 27 multiplied by half, that is 1 upon 2. So 1 into b cube is b cube, 2 into a cube is 2a cube is equals to 125 1 is 125, 27 2 is 54, children. So now what we have to do? We have to, here we have minus and plus. So first what we will be doing? We will be having which property? Therefore by componendo and dividendo, children. Okay. So this is A, this is B. So what we will be having? We will be having therefore b cube plus 2a cube upon b cube minus 2a cube is equals to 125 plus 54 upon 125 minus 54. Okay, children. So now let's get the value we'll get is what? Therefore what we get is b cube plus 2a cube upon b cube minus 2a cube is equals to 125 plus 54 is, it is 9, so it is 79, 177, yeah, it is 179. So 125 minus 54 is how much? Here it is, I think it is 1, and 12 minus 5 is 7. We got here 71. But here in the question what is asked? They have asked b cube minus 2a cube, b cube plus 2a cube. But here what we got is, by this property, that is componendo and dividendo, we got b cube plus 2a cube, b cube minus 2a cube. So therefore what we will be having? Therefore by invertendo what we will be having? We will be having therefore b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube is equals to, what is the value we got is, will be 71 upon 179 is our final answer. Okay, children, understood?